Alright guys, it's that time again. So we got another credit card in the mail. So I will do an unboxing of this and a review of this card. So without further ado, we'll dive right into it. As you can see from here, I had to just kind of take off this envelope right here to cover up some of my personal information, just so that I don't want all this information hovering on the internet, but we'll get as close to an authentic unboxing experience as possible. And before we dive right in, guys, I have done many of these unboxing videos, so those are on my channel. A lot of them are Chase cards, some of them are Bank of America cards and US Bank cards. Feel free to check them out. There are so many videos I did on Chase Bank products. I actually have a separate list for Chase Bank videos, and I will link that in the iCard here. Feel free to check that out. And also, there are a lot of credit card videos on my channel, as credit card is one of my hobbies, and I go through how you can get over 800 credit score and many other great credit card information. So, with that being said, let's not wait anymore. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so this is the credit card. We'll dive right into it in a second. So they give you this nice little informational leaflet that says save time at checkout, tap to pay. And they tell you how to use that tap to pay feature. You look for the sign. If that sign's in the register, it accepts the tap to pay feature. You tap your card, no need to insert it, and then you are good to go. Now you have a contactless Chase Visa card, more in-depth information on how to use the tap to pay feature. I think it's pretty easy and self-explanatory, especially given all that is going on in the world. We want to touch as few things as possible, and you don't necessarily have to get a credit card if you want to check out that information yourself. Just go to this URL over here. Nothing on the back side. Great. Finally, we'll dive right into the credit card. So here I kind of blocked out some information. Always earning on everything you buy. So let's go through this. I got the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So this is, I think, a great card, and we will discuss it in a second. And here it says you get 5% unlimited cash back on travel. So earn cash back on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, including flights, hotels, cars, rental activities, and cruises. So the good thing about Chase cards is that a lot of it counts as travel. Even Ubers and Lyfts and rideshare services. So 5% back on a no annual fee card, I think that's great. And if you have their Chase Sapphire Reserve or Chase Sapphire Preferred, you get more than 5% because you can transfer those points to the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and you'll get 1.25 cents per point or 1.5 cents per point respectively. And you get 3% cash back on dining, which is unlimited. So if you have a high spending on eating out, that's great for you. And you also get 3% unlimited cash back at drugstores. So if you're shopping at Walgreens or Duane Reade, it's great for you. But the main thing, the reason it's called unlimited is because you get 1.5% unlimited cash back on all other purchases, which isn't great by itself since you've got, say, the Citi Double Cash card that gives you 2% on everything. But the reason why this is so valuable, especially for someone like me, is because I have the Chase Sapphire Reserve. I did a long unboxing and review of that card, so check out that video. I'll link that in the iCard here. Is because that 1.5% becomes 2.25% because I earn these points here, and I transfer them over to my Chase Sapphire Reserve. So the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is actually my catch-all card. So anything I cannot put on the Chase Freedom or Chase Freedom Flex, I see if I could put it on my Chase Sapphire Reserve. If I can't do that, I put it on my Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which is my catch-all card for everything. So that's my strategy. If you guys have any questions, leave that in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get back to it. So with that being said, let's look at the card itself. So as you guys can see, I kind of covered the whole thing up by accident, but let me adjust this and we'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so I've just adjusted this a little bit so you can see a little bit more of the card, but let me just take off the sticker. Okay, the sticker's off. And here you get to see that the tap to go, this card has this tap to go feature, so that's great. Other than that, it's pretty ordinary, guys. I am seeing, yep, it bends, and it bends a lot. This is very ordinary. It's not exceptional in any way. Let's see. Makes that same flimsy sound every credit card makes. I always say that the US bank credit cards are the best when it comes to no annual fee cards in terms of quality and feel. I think these banks should definitely take a page from those cards, and they even put the numbers up front, so it's hard for me to do like a proper unboxing as I don't want these numbers out there, but you know, we just gotta make do with what we have, so not super excited about it. And guys, here is my old Freedom Unlimited card right here. This one's the new one. The one here is the old one. The few differences that you could see is that the old one does not have the tap to pay logo. The new one has. Also, the Freedom Unlimited, that one is on the top left corner in the new card. In the old card, they had the Chase logo separately, and it spelled out Chase, and the logo was right next to the chip. And also, it seems like the chip in the new card is a little smaller. Either way, guys, it's not a big difference. The card feel is the same, just the design changed, and now you've got tap to pay. Not super impressed by it, if I'm being honest, in terms of the quality. Once again, I don't know if Chase Bank or any other bank is listening, but if you are, take a page out of US Bank's no annual fee cards. I've done reviews of those as well, and I'm really blown away. So if US Bank can do it, I don't see why Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, or other major banks cannot do it. Although I know some people may say that the Apple credit card is the best in terms of build quality and feel for a no annual fee card. But keep in mind, guys, not everyone uses an iPhone. So if you're not using an iPhone, that may not be the best credit card for you. Maybe you're an Android user. So that's why I'm not mentioning the Apple card here. So yeah, something to note. And so guys, I'm not going to take up too much of your time. This is it for this video. It's a simple card with simple features. That's what makes it so great. Yeah, it could do a little with improvement in terms of feel and design, but hey, it is what it is. So let me know your thoughts on this card in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave that there as well, and I'll get back to you. And if you like contents like this, guys, feel free to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. So that's it for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.